There are eight main parts of speech in English. First, noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, teacher, city, dog, book, happiness. In a sentence, the boy reads a book. Here, boy and book are nouns. Nouns help us know who or what we are talking about. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun to avoid repetition. For example, he, she, it, they, we. Instead of saying Rahul is my friend, Rahul is kind, we say Rahul is my friend, he is kind. Pronoun makes sentences shorter and smoother. Third, verb. A verb shows an action or a state of being. Example, run, eat, write, is, am, are. In the sentence, she sings beautifully. Sings is the verb because it shows action. Without verbs, a sentence can't exist because verbs tell us what happens. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes or gives more information about a noun. Example, happy, big, red, smart. In the sentence, it is a beautiful flower. Beautiful describes the flower. Adjectives make language colorful and interesting. Fifth, adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It usually tells us how, when, where, or how often something happens. Examples, quickly, slowly, very, yesterday, here. In the sentence, he runs quickly. Quickly tells us how he runs. Many adverbs end with ly, but not all. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Examples, in, on, at, under, between, behind. In the sentence, the book is on the table. Here, on shows the position of the book. Prepositions help us understand place, time, and direction. 7. Conjunction. A conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences together. Example, and, but, or, because, so. For example, I wanted to go outside, but it was raining. Conjunctions connect ideas and make longer sentences possible. 8. Interjection. An interjection expresses sudden feelings or emotions. Example, wow, oh, oops, hurry. For example, whoa, that is amazing. Interjections are often followed by an exclamation mark because they show strong emotion.